Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to share my most recent Simon Says stamp card kit with you guys. I skipped last month. Well, I skipped the card kit for the month of June. So I will be going over this card kit, and this is the Be Yourself card kit. I've already opened up my box. Sorry about the camera view. My overhead camera arm has broken, and it's broken, and so my camera's kind of just hanging, so please bear with me. So I opened up the kit anyways, and this is the first thing I see in the box, and this is something new to me, and this is a glue sponge. It says just press, no mess. It says acid-free liquid glue system for arts and crafts, a cleaner way to go. I cannot wait to try this out. I've watched some videos already here on YouTube, and it seems like this is going to be really great for, if I can open it, there we go. Really great for so it's just like a sponge with the glue in it, and you just mash what you need glue to glue down in the sponge, and you can glue your things on. So I've watched some of the people I follow here on YouTube use this, and seems like it works really good for gluing on intricate like little die cut pieces and things like that. So I can't wait to try this out. I'm so happy that came in this kit, and I'm just going to open up the little signature brown paper bag and pull everything out. And here is all of the contents. Of course, the lollipop, and this looks like blue raz, and like I said, I've got a collection of little lollipops on the side here. It came with a bag of sequins, and this is let's see, just a mixture of the black and yellow sequin by Simon Says Stamp, which really is cute and goes along with the bee theme. So I don't really have any yellow, so that was awesome. So got some sequin here. This fell out, and this is a small die, and this is like the honeycomb octagon shapes little die. And let's see, I said octagon, it's a hexagon, I'm sorry. Let's see, I'm reading the little insert sheet here that comes with it. It kind of gives a description of everything that comes in the kit. So I like to be able to tell you guys the right thing. So it is a Simon Says Stamp hexagon wafer thin die, and this is going to be really cute to go along with that bead theme. So I got my wafer die and my sequins, my glue sponge. Okay, so also this pre-printed cardstock here is pre-printed with little pictures and sentiments already on it that I'm guessing you can color or do whatever you like to do with this. So you get, looks like 3 of these pre-printed sheets. Let's chase all the beautiful rainbows. Has a little rainbow you can color. Every little thing is going to be alright. And then also, thanks for being there for me. Really cute. Those will make really fun, fast greeting cards. Also, there's just a regular white Simon Says Stamp envelope. Okay, and next you have the Honeybee Stamps 6x6 double-sided premium cardstock. And this is called the Bee's Knees. Really cute. Everything coordinates so good with this kit. So I'm just going to open them up. And I love double-sided papers. Okay, so this kind of gives you a peek to see all of the papers you're going to get in the kit. So you get this cute florals with the bees. You get the stripes. Of course, the honeycombs or hexagons. The polka dots. More of the hexagons. Like wood grain panel on this one. This one is like a mixture of stripes and polka dots. More hexagons. Really fun and bright, cheerful papers here to work with. Oh, this one is really cool. If you love to color, you can color this one in. There's the black polka dots. Here you can add color here if you like, or go with like a black and white theme. All really pretty. From yellows to blues and black. Oh, that's really pretty. Like a splash. More of the wood grain look. More polka dots. And geometric shapes. And then some scallops at the end. Really fun. And then you get a 5-piece pack of rainbow shattered glass deco foil, and these are the Simon Says stamp foil transfer sheets. Look at that, really pretty. Oh my goodness, really pretty. And I don't have a laminator here, but you can also use these with adhesive. So I'm gonna play around with this and see what I can come up with. This is so pretty, I love it. Okay, and then you also get this large stamp set by Simon Says Stamp, and this is the Be Yourself stamp set. Really fun sentiments. Be yourself. You can color that in if you like. Things will be okay. Be awesome. Thanks for being there. Be beautiful just because you're the bee's knees. We belong together. Meant to be. Mommy to be. Ooh, I really like that one. That's cute. Smart, sweet as can be. And all the cute little bee friends. And also the little hexagon or honeycomb patterns and hearts. Really cute. Really cute. Okay. And then you also get some cardstock here, and you get, let me read off, you get one sheet of the Simon Says Stamp 100-pound cardstock in Sunshine, and that will be this piece here. You also get a sea glass and a black, and also a sheet of the Simon Says Stamp 120-pound white cardstock. So here's the black. Here's that 120-pound white. It's very thick, yes. And then the sea glass. This is a super fun kit, and I will start playing with these right away. And as soon as I come up with how I'm going to use this deco foil, I am going to do a video to show you guys what I created. And this here, let me see. What does it say about this? Okay, these are foilable cards. These are Simon Says Stamp exclusive, and they're foilable cards. So I'm thinking you can use the deco foil to foil this here. So I'm gonna do my research and watch a few videos to see how that works, and I'm gonna try it for myself, and then I'll share with you guys what I came up with. Anyway, I just wanted to share this new card kit with you guys. Really fun card kit. And if you're new to card making and scrapbooking and you don't know where to start, these card kits are great because you're getting the kit. Usually everything will kind of coordinate really well together, and these are items that you can use for other projects as well. And you can also build your build your stash up with a lot of this. Like the wafer thin dies can be used over and over for all types of projects, as well as the sequins and the stamp set. This stamp set can be used for graduation, for love cards, just because cards, even the mommy to be cards, like really cute. And yeah, I mean, so that would be one suggestion for somebody who has just started crafting and really don't know where to start, don't know what to spend money on. I think card kits are a great way. And then if you go on to Simon Says Stamp blog, they give you all kind of creative ideas on how to use these card kits and the stamps and everything that comes in them. Sometimes I don't like to, me personally, don't like to look at all of the examples because I try not to copy designs that somebody else made. It's nothing wrong with it if you're putting your own little spin on things, but in the back of your mind, sometimes even if you see something, you're not really trying to copy it. You've already seen it. So in the back of your mind, it's just already there. And sometimes you can find yourself doing something that has already been done. And like I said, there's nothing wrong with that. I mean, a lot of times people post videos as a show and tell, or like a learning for somebody who doesn't know. And a lot of times people don't mind, but yeah, that would be my advice. I love these card kits. So with that being said, I will see you guys in my next video. And yeah, I haven't forgotten, I do have some coloring to get out there. I've been doing some coloring lately. I just haven't filmed, so I need to get that video out. I have a video that I already put out coloring skin tones, and I need to finish that coloring and get that video out to you guys. So that's still in the works. I'm just pretty much all over the place, so please forgive me for that. Yeah, but that's the end of this video. So thank you guys as always for watching my videos. If you're not subscribed, please click the link down below to subscribe to my channel if you would like to see more content from me. And yeah, thanks again, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.